Okay, hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the very important topic. The topic is menstrual cycle. Generally, we observe menstrual cycle in women or in female. The menstrual cycle begins at women at the time of menarche. What is the meaning of menarche? Menarche is the time where it has the beginning time of after puberty in female. The menstrual cycle is starting of, that is the beginning of menarche, beginning of menstrual cycle. That is the beginning point. Okay, starting point. The beginning of menarche, beginning point of what we can call menstrual cycle. We can call what menarche. Okay, and in generally, what is the definition of menstrual cycle? The menstrual cycle means menstrual. The meaning of menstrual means what? Monthly. Every month, this cycle is going on. What happened in this cycle? In this cycle, what happened? The cyclic changes that occurs in endometrium. The cyclic changes that occurs in endometrium. What is endometrium? Endometrium is the layer of what? Which is developed layer, especially for in generally we are observed in uterus. Three layers is there: monometrium, okay, polymetrium, endometrium. The endometrium is the inner layer. The inner layer, it is approximately every month 2 to 3 millimeters. It will be increasing the size. Why? Because to develop the fetus. Okay. But what happened every month? This endometrium is develops and again ruptures and releasing blood. This event is going on every month. The development of endometrium, again it ruptures and releasing blood and bleeding. Every month this cycle is going on. These changes are occurs in endometrium. This changes, this cycle we can call menstrual cycle. That is the, what is menstrual cycle? The cyclic changes that occurs in endometrium in every month together and form, we can call, that is endometrium. Simple. For example, this is endometrium. Endometrium develops and this developed endometrium ruptures are breaking down. Again it takes their own position. Again it is develops. Again it is breaking down. What endometrium? We are observe the changes, the events of changes, the cyclic changes that occurs in endometrium, which is the inner layer of uterus. We are observe that changes we can call menstrual cycle. The meaning of menstrual cycle and also called reproductive cycle also. This cycle and also other name we can call reproductive cycle or reproductive phase. In this phase, lot of changes occurs in female reproductive system, especially for ovarian and uterus. Lot of changes occurs. We are discussing about that changes, that changes we can call menstrual cycle. Okay, in menstrual cycle and also called reproductive phase. Okay, before going to discuss about the menstrual cycle, first of all we have to discuss about what is menarche and menopause. Okay, menarche means what? In female, after puberty. After puberty, in female, after puberty, these menstrual cycle is begins. The beginning time, that is the first time. Okay, first time of menstrual cycle, the first menstrual cycle. Nothing but first menstrual cycle we can call menarche. In female generally, the menarche, the time the first menstrual cycle occurs, especially after puberty, 11 to 12 years approximately. Okay, and that is the first menstrual cycle we can call, the beginning of menstrual cycle we can call menarche. What is menopause? Especially for the menopause means what? Stops the ovulation or the menstrual cycle, stops the menstrual cycle after 45 to 55 years. Between 45 to 55 years, most of the women's, these menstrual cycle automatically it will be stops. Okay, stops ovulation. Ovulation or menstrual cycle we can call menopause. That means in female body what happened after puberty? The first menstrual cycle we can call menarche, or last menstrual cycle. That means between 45 to 55 years in their body, the menstrual cycle will be stops. That is we can call menopause. Menarche and menopause. Now we have to discuss about how these menstrual cycle occurs in female body. Okay. First of all, we have to discuss about what happens at the time of menstrual cycle in female. In every month, what going on? The menstrual cycle occurs in every 28 days once. It will be occurs in female in 28 days at once. It will be occurs in one cycle is complete. It will take what? 28 days. In this 28 days, what happens in female body? We have to discuss. First of all, we have to discuss in simple manner. Then we have to discuss about what are the phases having in menstrual cycle. Generally in menstrual cycle what happen? For example, female reproductive system. I will draw a rough diagram. Okay, female reproductive system. Okay, this is especially what we call in female reproductive system. Generally we are observed what ovaries, one pair of ovary. This is the fallopian tube or oviduct. Okay, fallopian tube or oviduct. This is a uterus. Okay, which the uterus are nothing but we can call mother womb also. Mother womb. Okay, the development of fetus occurs in mother womb. In what happens in every month in uterus and in ovary? Actually, generally what happens, the ovary, every time ovary is releasing, Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing one ova. One ovum enter into the ampulla, that is a part of oviduct. In what happen, especially for the male gametes, nothing but we can call spermatozoans or sperm cells, enter into the female body. Enter into the female body. When it is enter into the female body, one sperm or spermatozoa enter into the fallopian tube. It is fertilized with ovum. Generally, this is happens. The cause of pregnancy. Okay, what is cause of pregnancy? Generally what happens, this sperm cell enter into the female reproductive system through with vagina, it is enter into the body and it is fertilized with what? Ovum. It fertilized with ovum. After fertilization, zygote formation is occurs. Okay, zygote formation is occurs. But actually what happens in female body? Generally in female body, when the ovulation is occurs, what is the meaning of ovulation? Ovulation means releasing of ovum. Whatever released secondary oocyte or ovum or fertile egg, that is enter into the fallopian tube. When it is enter, when it is means ovum, okay, or secondary oocyte or ovum enter into the fallopian tube, automatically the walls of the uterus walls are developed. Automatically, uterus, for example, uterus, three types of walls is there. Outside wall we can call monometrium, and middle metrium, or we can call perimetrium. Second one, perimetrium. The inner metrium we can call endometrium. Endo means inside. Endometrium. Metrium means layer. That uterus wall, inside the wall of the uterus, that is covered with what? Endometrium. Okay. The endometrium automatically, when the ovulation is occurs in female body, automatically what will be happen? The uterus will be develops. The walls of the uterus are developed. Generally it is develops 2 mm to 3 mm. What is mm? Millimeters. The 2 mm to 3 millimeter size is increased. The walls of the uterus size is increased. Why uterus size is increased? For implantation. What is the meaning of implantation? Whatever, if fertilization is occurs, the fetus is need to develop in uterus only, so that automatically, as the cause of hormones, the uterus walls are developed. If fertilization is not occurs, what is the meaning of fertilization? The the male gametes are not enter into the female body. The male gametes or spermatozoans are not entered, and at the time, fertilization is not occurs. What will be happen? Actually, the ovum lifespan is only 24 hours. In the 4 hours, if fertilization is not occurs, what will be happen? Zygote formation will not be occurs in female body. Automatically after 24 hours, this ovum is died, it dissolved in blood, and these walls, whatever developed walls, why walls are developed? Walls are developed from implantation to development of fetus. These walls are developed. Uterus walls are developed. Endometrium is developed. What happens if fertilization is not occurs? What happens in female body? If fertilization is not occurs, this endometrium again ruptures and releasing what? Blood. Again it ruptures. What is the meaning of ruptures? Rupture means what? Breaking down. What? It's breakdown. It's breakdown endometrium. What is the meaning of endometrium? Inner wall. The inner wall, whatever walls are developed in uterus, endometrium, again it ruptures and releasing blood in outside the body through with vagina. Okay, that means every month this event is going on. These changes occurs in female body. When the ovulation is occurs, automatically endometrium develops. If fertilization is not occurs, again this endometrium ruptures and releasing what? Blood into outside. Tissues with mucus with blood, it is sending outside the body. It happens in every month in female body after puberty. This is we can call menstrual cycle. The cycle is going on in every month. So that it is called menstrual means what? Monthly. Nothing but you can call periods. It happens in every month female body approximately 28 to 29 days. Once it will be happens. The reproductive cycle, reproductive phase we can call. Okay, now we have to discuss about what are the phases of menstrual cycle, how hormones are causes of menstrual cycle. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the phases of menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle completes within 4 phases. What are that 4 phases? The first phase is what? First stage is menstruation phase. Second one is the follicular phase or proliferative phase. And third phase is ovulation. Okay. And fourth phase is what? Luteal phase or nothing but we can call secretory phase. That means the menstrual cycle within 28 days, these changes are occurs in ovary and uterus. Okay. We have to divide it into 4 phases. Changes, whatever changes occurs in ovary and uterus, we have to divide it into 4 phases. The first phase is what? Menstruation. Okay. Menstruation means nothing but we can call periodical period or we can call monthly. Now we have to discuss about first phase. Okay, first phase we can call menstruation. What is the meaning of menstruation? Nothing but monthly. In female reproductive cycle, in female reproductive phase, what happen in 1 to 5 days? The first 5 days what will be happen actually for these luteinizing hormone, the hormonal secretion is very less. At the time of what? Menstruation, what will be happen? Already we learned. Okay, this is the, we can call female reproductive system. In female reproductive system, we know generally what happened at the cycle first phase of menstrual phase. In menstrual phase, what happened? The female reproductive system, this part ovaries, one pair ovary, and also fallopian tube or oviduct. This is uterus. The uterus walls are divided into three types. One is monometrium, poly or middle metrium, polymetrium, and inner metrium we can call endometrium. In this phase, okay, endometrium. In this phase, what happened? The hormonal secretions is decreased. The luteinizing hormone, which is gonadotropic hormone, which is released by hypothalamus, anterior part of the hypothalamus, that luteinizing hormone is what degenerates or decrease the hormonal secretion. Automatically what will be happen? This corpus luteum is destroyed and progesterone levels also decreased. What will be happen actually? Uterus walls. The uterus walls is what? Endometrium. This endometrium ruptures and releasing blood, or nothing but we can call bleeding. So many reasons of what? Infertilization. Infertilization means what? At the time when the ovulation is occurs, at the time sperm cells are not enter into the female body, sperm cells are not energetic, and so many reasons of infertilization. But if fertilization is occurs, this menstrual cycle automatically will be stops. Menstruation will be not occurs. If fertilization is not occurs, if fertilization, it is not, this ovum is not fused with male gamete, automatically what will be happen? After 5 to 6 days, whatever developed endometrium, the inner wall of the uterus, automatically it is ruptures and releasing blood. Why? Because it ruptures and releasing means what? The hormonal secretions are decreased, levels are decreased. Automatically luteinizing hormone, gonadotropic hormones, automatically these hormones, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, progesterone levels also decreasing. So that what will be happen? The corpus luteum is degenerates, it's not releasing progesterone, automatically what will be happen? This endometrium ruptures and releasing what? Blood in first cycle, that is the menstruation at monthly. In first, it will be occurs in first within 5 days, 5 to 6 days. Okay, the first cycle, this is we can call menstruation cycle. What happens in menstruation cycle? Bleeding. Nothing but we can call period. That nothing but we can call this endometrium, uterus walls are ruptures and releasing blood in first phase. Okay, now we have to discuss about the second phase. Menstruation, the second phase we can call the follicular phase. What is the meaning of follicular phase? Follicles are develops. Ovarian follicles are develops in this phase. After menstruation, after that means endometrium ruptures and releasing, after 5th day and 6th day onwards, what will be happen? Again the follicles are developing in ovary, and follicles are developing in ovary. How follicles are developing? At the time, what will be happen after menstruation? These FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. This is what? Gonadotropic hormone. LH means luteinizing hormone. These two are gonadotropic hormones. These hormones are released by anterior part of the pituitary gland. These hormones are cause of increasing what? The follicular phase. What is the meaning of follicular? That means follicles are developed. Okay, for example, this is nothing but we can call ovary. In ovary, we are observed primordial follicles. Already we learnt primary follicles, secondary follicles, tertiary follicles. After that one, Graafian follicles. Already we learned about that one. The follicles are developed in follicular phase. Why? Because follicles are developed. Okay, in that name only is there. Follicular stimulating hormone. Follicular means what? Ovarian follicles. These are what we call ovarian follicles. These ovarian follicles are developed by the secretion of what? Follicular stimulating hormone. The name only is there, follicular stimulating hormone. These hormones useful to development of follicular. First follicles we can call primordial follicles. Primordial follicles. After that one, primordial follicle, it is a developing layer, is developing cuboidal. Okay, automatically the oocyte is inside. This is we can call primary oocyte. Primary oocyte. In primary oocyte, after that one, zona pellucidea, zona granulosa is developed. This is we can call secondary oocyte. Secondary follicles. And after follicle, secondary follicle, the granulosa is develops, atrium is develops, granulosa it develops. Okay, this is we can call what? Tertiary follicle. Tertiary follicle. After tertiary follicle, the primary oocyte, after meiosis 1, it will be forms what? Secondary oocyte. This is we can call Graafian follicle. That means in that follicle phase, what will be happen? The follicles are developing. Okay, so that what happens in follicular phase? These follicles are developing. How follicles are developing? The follicles are developed by the hormonal secretion of follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. These two hormones we can call gonadotropin hormone. These hormones are cause of increasing the development of follicular layers. So that the name given proliferative phase. What is the meaning of proliferative? Proliferative means what? The follicles layers are developed. In this phase, what happened? First, primordial to primary oocyte, primary oocyte to secondary oocyte, secondary oocyte to, sorry, it's not visible, secondary oocyte to tertiary oocyte, tertiary oocyte to what? Graafian follicle, which is a matured, which is a what? Developed follicle. That is we can call Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle. That means in this phase what happened? The secretion is what? Follicle stimulating hormone secretion is more. So that what will be happen? These follicular inside, whatever ovarian follicles are develops, it will be forms a layer around them. Zona pellucidea, zona granulosa, and internal theca, external theca is develops in Graafian follicle. These development of cause of these development of hormonal secretions. This phase we can call follicular phase. The first phase, menstruation phase. In that endometrium is ruptured and releasing blood. And after 5th day, 6th day onwards, 6 to 13 days, what happened? These follicles are developed into primordial, primary, secondary, tertiary, and finally Graafian follicles. In that follicles, layers are zona granulosa, zona pellucidea, and also interna and externa. Okay, internal theca, external theca develops around Graafian follicle. Okay, this phase you can call the follicular phase. The name only is there, follicular phase or proliferative phase. That means the layers are formed. That means cells of follicular cells are developed in this phase. Okay, now. Okay, next phase is ovulation phase. After follicular development, what happens? The Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Secondary oocyte. Okay, after what is ovulation? Ovulatory phase. This phase we can call ovulatory phase. In this phase, what will happen? Whatever developed Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte enter into the fallopian tube. After that one, it will be changing into ovum. Okay, this secondary oocyte ruptures and releasing secondary oocyte. That is we can call ovulatory phase. The ovulation is occurs at the time of 14th day. Try to understand. The first menstruation 5 days. Within 5 days, 3 to 5 days. After menstruation, what? Follicular phase. 6 to 13 days it will be development of folliculars, ovarian follicles. After 14 days, after 13 days, what happened? Ovulation is occurs. How ovulation is occurs? The Graafian follicles is what? Okay, ruptures and releasing what? Ovum. Secondary oocyte. What is the cause of secondary oocyte? LH surge. What is the meaning of estrogen surge? Estrogen levels are peaked in this stage. What is the meaning of peak? It means what? The levels are, at a time it is increasing. The estrogen level, secretion of estrogen levels are more at the time of ovulation. So that what will be happen? The ovulation will be occurs. What is the meaning of ovulation? The estrogen, the hormone, estrogen, the female hormone. This estrogen hormone is peaked in level. What is the meaning of high level? At a time, estrogen levels are increased. So that what happened? Ovulation is occurred. What is the meaning of ovulation? This Graafian follicle ruptures, whatever Graafian follicles, which is the developed follicle, which will be consist secondary oocyte. This Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Ovum or ova. Okay, this is we can call especially for ovulatory phase. In this phase, what happened? Luteinizing hormone. The hormone is releasing more. The FSH secretion also secrete. FSH follicle stimulating hormone also increasing more. The secretions are more. Okay, the ovary changes in ovary. Lot of changes occurs in ovary. Graafian follicle is develops. And what will be happen actually? Ruptures and releasing whatever ovary or secondary oocyte, it is enter into the fallopian tube. What enter into the fallopian tube? Secondary oocyte. And there in secondary oocyte, what happens? In secondary oocyte, fertilization is occurs. That means this ovulatory phase, what is important? LH surge, estrogen surge. What is the meaning of it? At peak levels of estrogen, high levels of hormonal secretion. Hormonal secretion is high level. Okay, that is we can call ovulatory phase. In this nothing. The phase is what? Ovulation occurs in ovulatory phase. Okay, and the last phase is luteal phase. In luteal phase, or we can call secretory phase, and luteal phase are also called secretory. Generally, the name only is there. What is the meaning of secretory phase? Okay, after 14 days, what happened? Ovulation is occurs. After 14 days, after ovulation, what happened? Need to develop uterus. Need to develop uterus walls. How uterus walls are developed? Automatically, what will be happen after 14th day? 15th to 28th days, between after 14th day. In 14th day, ovulation is occurs. After ovulation, 15th to 28th day, what will lot of changes occurs in uterus and fallopian tube. This is we can call luteal luteal pregnancy, the luteal phase, secretory phase. In this phase, need to develop uterus walls and fallopian tube, and lot of changes occurs in ovarian follicles, which are ruptured ovarian follicles. Already I am told what in after ovulation. Ovulation is occurs in 14th day. In what happens in ovary? Okay, I will draw here. Okay, in ovary, Graafian follicle. Sorry, already withdrawn. Okay, so that I will draw a rough diagram. Okay, this Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte. What happened? Whatever the yellow part, yellow body, after Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Ovum. After that one remaining part of the Graafian follicle, we can call yellow color body or nothing but corpus luteum. Yellow color body or yellow substance remaining at the region of where the Graafian follicle is ruptures and releasing. At there we are observed yellow color body, nothing but corpus luteum. This corpus luteum starts from secreting progesterone, very very important. Progesterone and watery mucus. That is the watery mucus is useful for development of what? Development of fetus. This progesterone is what? Releasing. Who releases progesterone? Corpus luteum. What is corpus luteum? After ruptures and releasing Graafian follicle, whatever remaining part of the Graafian follicle, that is turns into yellow color body. That is yellow color body we can call corpus luteum. By the stimulating of FSH and LH, what happened? This corpus luteum releasing progesterone hormone and watery substance. And progesterone hormone play a very important role for making endometrium. Again, this cycle is started. This progesterone is useful for making of endometrium. Again, endometrium is developing in this phase. Which phase? Luteal phase. What is luteal phase? Secretory phase. What happens in secretory phase? Corpus luteum is developing. What happens in corpus luteum? Corpus luteum is what? Releasing hormone. Which hormone it is releasing? Progesterone hormone. What is the use of progesterone hormone? Progesterone hormone is play very important role making endometrium. Again, inner layer of uterus. This making endometrium, and it is also useful for implantation. What is the meaning of implantation? Whatever fertilized egg is attached in uterus walls. Fertilization is occurs in ampulla of the ovidite. Again, that fertilized egg need to enter into the uterus. It is need to attach in uterus walls, so that uterus walls are developed. Endometrium is developed. This development, the cause of development, that is what? Progesterone. Hormone of progesterone. Okay, the progesterone plays. And also, what are the symptoms we will observe in female? When the endometrium is develops, automatically the female little bit body temperature is raising. The female body temperature is raising, little bit raising female body temperature. Okay, again endometrium is develops. Again, it starts from first stage menstruation cycle. That means it is a going on cycle. This cycle completes 15 to 28 days. The luteal phase completes 15 to 28 days. In this 15 to 28 days, what happened? This corpus luteum is releasing what? Progesterone hormone to development of what? Endometrium, development of uterus walls, and what happened to fallopian tube and ovarian. A lot of changes occurs in ovary. Again, it is entering into the, after 28 days, again it is entering into the fertilization is not occurs. Again it is enter into the menstruation. Okay, this is the cycle of menstrual cycle. Okay. Okay, if you observe the diagram of what menstrual cycle, it is looking very difficult, but it is very easy diagram. Okay, it is showing all phases in this diagram. Okay, this is what this line is endometrium, the walls of the uterus. This is okay. The walls of the uterus is what here. Okay, very less. Slowly increase the size of the walls of the uterus. Okay, slowly it is decreased. Okay, these are the walls of the uterus. These are the hormones. Okay, the hormones also at the level it is increasing and it will be decreasing. And these are we can call we are observe different stages in follicles. Okay, we know very well about that one. Primordial follicles, primordial follicle, primary follicle, okay, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, and Graafian follicles. Graafian follicle. After that one rupture. Okay, this is the diagram. After rupture and releasing corpus luteum, the corpus luteum releasing what hormones, progesterone, and finally corpus albicans. It is degenerates and finally corpus albicans. And again menstrual cycle will be starts. Okay, if you observe, okay, we have to discuss about this diagram. Here what happened, the first one menstruation phase. In menstruation phase, this is endometrium. This is endometrium means uterus walls. These uterus walls ruptures and releasing what? Blood. Ruptures and releasing blood. Okay, nothing but we can call bleeding. Okay, then at the level, this level, if you observe this level, the hormonal secretions is very less. Luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, the hormonal secretions are very less. It is showing first phase. This is we can call menstruation phase. In this phase, estrogen hormone, progesterone hormone, everything is levels are hormonal levels are less. Levels are less in this phase. After this phase, next phase we can call follicular phase. In this follicular phase, the follicles are developing. Okay, primary, secondary, tertiary. After that one, Graafian follicle. This Graafian follicle. In this stage, what will happen? This phase, what happened? Graafian follicles or whatever ovarian follicles are developed. So that follicular hormone is more in this phase. FSH secretion is more. Luteinizing secretion is more, increasing in this phase. Okay, second phase. This is we can call after rupturing the endometrium, menstruation phase. Next phase is follicular phase or profilorate phase. In this phase, Graafian follicles are developed. Hormonal secretion is also little bit increasing. And after that one very important ovulation phase. After 13th day, 14th day ovulation is occurs. In that ovulation, this Graafian follicle ruptures and releasing what? Secondary oocyte. In this phase, if you observe it there, the hormonal, okay, especially for luteinizing LH surge. What is the meaning of LH surge or estrogen surge? The levels of estrogen is more in this surge. Okay, the estrogen hormone is what? The high peak level, high level of estrogen. The hormonal secretion is more. Okay, so that it will be make like this. Hormonal secretion is more at the time of ovulation phase. You have to observe that. Secondary oocyte is releasing. After releasing, what happened? Again, the secretions slowly decrease. And what happened? Progesterone is what? Increasing. This is what progesterone hormone. Progesterone hormone is increasing. In that progesterone hormone is increasing, again endometrium is develops in secretory phase. Endometrium is develops. Okay, this is endometrium. Endometrium develops in this phase. Okay, endometrium is develops. And what happened? Corpus luteum. Okay, formation of corpus luteum, secretion of progesterone, the endometrium development is occurs. After total completion of this corpus luteum again degenerates and forms what? Here corpus albicans. Okay, this diagram shows all phases of menstrual cycle.